Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can change the color in AutoCAD 2024. So let's start. We draw a line here and you can own the ortho by clicking here. This is the ortho. Let's say we draw this line and you want to change the color of this line. So first thing you select here and type change properties and here color. You can change the color of the line. This is the one way. Another is you have to go on to layer option and here you have to select the color. Let's say I will select color yellow, then okay, then close. Now when I will draw the line, it will draw with yellow color. So it will not start with white color, so it will start with yellow color. In this way you can change the color of lines in AutoCAD. You can give them different colors. Let's say here you will create a new layer here and you give name any names here, new, and here you change the color to red. Okay, and you select here new one. Now automatically the color will change here in this layer block also. Now the line will start in red color. You can switch the layers. Let's say you are working in a complicated drawing and you want to segregate the lines in, then you can use the layers. You put all red lines in one layer and yellow line in another layer and green line in another layer. In this way you can change the color in AutoCAD. Hope you understand. If you have any comment, please comment in the comment blocks. Thanks for watching.